Hey, you beautiful college women. I am so excited you're here. I am going to teach you the top 6 things you need to know about money, okay? Yeah, that's right. Because nobody's going to teach you other than me, so I might as well do it, and I'm going to do it. Here are the top 6. Today is number 6. Now, what we're going to do is not accumulate any more debt. You already get enough, especially if you're living on your own. You got college loans coming in and everything else. What you want to do, if you haven't already started, you want to start saving up as much as possible for an emergency fund. That's right. Get that going. Follow along. Message me 145 and I will send you out my free guide with some extra bonuses in there. And don't forget to share me, because I want all your friends to be as successful as you are going to be. We're down to number 5 out of the top 6. And don't forget, my free guide, you get it. All you have to do is message me 145. So, number 5 is, if you have creditors, credit card, car, anything like that, you want to do these steps. You want to call them and you want to go negotiate with them. Can they offer you a different, lower interest rate? Can you break those payments up into manageable bite size every single pay period? What will they do? Will they let you make extra payments on the principal? Some places do not, because they want that interest. So that's something to think about if you have to get a loan or a new car or anything like that. Now, don't forget, follow along, share me, so I can help all your beautiful friends just like you be super, super college, super smart with their money and have a PhD in money smarts. Guess what? We are down to number 4 out of the top 6 items that you can do to make you more successful. Now that you're getting your PhD and mastering your money, hello, I'm here to help you do that, because nobody taught me, and it's really important that I share my knowledge of all the things that I did wrong, and I'm telling you what you need to do right, okay? So message me 145 and I will send you out that guide and bonuses. So number 4 is get rid of all your clutter. Sell it and get that money. Save it, okay? Now, if you happen to have to get a side gig, what you want to do is make the most of that, okay? And take that money, pay what you need to pay, and try to put some into the savings, so then that way you're not screwing yourself over, okay? Let's think smart. Get that PhD of the money hack going on. Pass me around so all your friends can be super smart like you when it comes to money, because I'm here to help you like nobody else is gonna. And don't forget to message me 145 so I can get you going on the right track. Hey, we have made it to number 3 out of the top 6 super smart college women, beautiful that you are, of how to not have debt anymore, okay? So, consolidation loans. Let's just talk about it for a quick second. Take all your debt, put it into one, see if you can get that loan. Couple things you want to ask. What is the interest rate? Can I make weekly, bi-weekly payments so it's not so big chunk and it's more manageable for you? Also, are you able to make payments on your principal, so then that way you're not always paying interest? Some will, so won't. So you really want to be able to be careful with that. And also, I do have to tell you about this one, even though it's not my favorite, because I don't agree with credit cards. I believe in secured credit cards, but we'll discuss that later. What you can do is find a 0 interest credit card, put all that stuff on there, and then just pay that off. Now, you get rid of the other ones, you cut them up, you get rid of them, it doesn't matter, whatever. Then you have this one. But make sure you pay it all off before the time runs out, because afterwards, any balance that's left on there, you're looking at 25 to 35% interest on that. So let's not do that one. Let's do the consolidation loan. So you want to message me 145 so I can send you your own guide that has everything listed out, plus some bonuses especially for you. And don't forget to send me around. Like me, love me, share me, because this is going to go viral, so then that way I can help more beautiful college women like you have your PhD in money smart. Guess what? out of the top 10, we made it down to number 2. You are fantastic because you have been hanging out with me all this time. I'm so proud of you. You are doing this. You are mastering your money. I love it. So remember, number 2. Now, this is a little weird, but hang in here with me. So I already talked about your other major savings. Now we're going to do a simple savings account, and you're going to attach this to your checking. This is where you can have extra money be there to help with any overflow. Doesn't mean go crazy. It just means it's a simple checking account just for like last minute things. It's not part of your major savings, your money market account. It's just a little backup plan. You can put in a few dollars here and there and watch that grow. Use that for like immediate things that, you know, okay, I forgot to get gas, but I got $10 in my savings. Let me go grab that and I'll be good. This way you are not touching your major savings account, okay? So hang in there with me. 146, send me that in a message and let me get you going on your own guide of saving and mastering your money. I got you. Don't forget, pass me around, have everybody watch this, and get in the game of mastering your money. You did it! I'm so excited. Don't wonder, you're super smart, amazing, gorgeous college woman. Yes. We're working on getting our PhD in mastering the money. Day 1, top 1 out of the 6. I'm so excited for you. Now, what I need you to do is a couple of things. I need you to make sure you like and pass this around so we can help all your amazing friends, wonderful, gorgeous, amazing college women just like you. I want everybody to get their PhD in mastering the money. So let's start with you, okay? Also, I need you to message me 145 so I can send you your free guide and a bunch of bonuses. Yeah, you're going to like it. I worked really hard on this. Number 1, let's stick to tracking. I don't like the word budget, so I call it tracking. It's a lot less daunting, I think. Anyway, you want to write down all your expenses that you have every single month. You want to get rid of anything that is unnecessary. You don't need to go out to eat all the time. But yeah, you want to not like live in a closet either. So let's get rid of all that craziness, okay? Let's stick to a tracking system until we can get you all completely paid off and up to date and building your savings, okay? Follow me, like me, pass me along, and I will continue to be at your service. Don't forget, message me 145 so I can get that out to you. You have an amazing day. Keep up with everything. Pass me along so you will know when I will have your next video. Talk to you later. Bye.